Today I answer the question, what is a broker of record letter? In the insurance business, a broker of record letter or agent of record letter is basically a letter of authorization that you, as the insured, can use to fire your existing agent and hire a new agent to handle your business insurance with the insurance company you currently have. Often, this is done on the renewal date, but in some instances, you can transfer authority to a new agent midterm. The broker of record letter gives you, the insured, the power to select who you want your broker or agent to be. The most common trigger for a broker of record letter or change of authorization is when you, the business owner, is shopping around your business insurance renewal for a better price. Here's an example of how it usually unfolds. Agent 1 is your current agent and they submit your account to an insurance company for a quote. Another agent you're working with, we'll call them Agent 2, goes to that same insurance company and finds out that they are blocked from getting a quote. This is because insurance companies will only work with one agent or broker at a time for issuing quotes. So Agent 2 approaches you and asks you to sign a broker of record letter to authorize them to get a quote from this insurance company. Now, if you sign this letter, you're effectively tossing out your current agent, Agent number 1, and replacing them with Agent number 2 to get that quote. And this is where broker of record letters can get sticky and where I recommend caution. Now, let me just take a step back. I highly recommend that when it comes to your business insurance, that you select who you want your agent or broker to be first, not your insurance company. By putting your account out to bid with multiple brokers, you allow the insurance company with the lowest quote to select the broker you will work with for this upcoming policy term. I've done another video on why this may not be in your best interest, and you can view that here. Now, what about broker of record letters in the middle of a policy term? There are situations when an insured becomes really dissatisfied with their agent. Certificates are not being issued in a timely manner, customer service is terrible, and the relationship is broken down terribly. This is when the insured can select a new agent to represent them with their current insurance company and take over the servicing of their account. This is also achieved by signing a broker of record letter. But be cautioned, some insurers will not accept midterm broker of record letters, which is really unfortunate because if the situation you're in is dire, then the new broker will likely need to move you to a new insurance company, and that makes everybody's life more difficult. Now, sometimes these authorization letters can be used in a manner that's not so professional, so caution is needed when a new broker you're working with to get quotes asks you to sign one. I've seen it too many times when an unscrupulous broker will try to slip this letter in front of a client, ask them to sign it, and not give them any explanation of what it is or what it does or what will happen next. If that happens, your current broker will be informed by the insurance company that they're being removed from getting a quote with that particular insurer. And this, of course, is going to lead to a phone call or a visit from that broker who feels threatened or has had their feelings really hurt. If you don't intend on firing your current broker, don't do this, as it will really disrupt your relationship with them. Second reason is that if you do sign the broker of record, you're causing some disruption with the underwriter at this insurance company that you're trying to get a quote from. They now think, what's going on here? Is my quote going to be used as leverage against another underwriter to lower their price? What broker has control of this account? Is it just about price, or is there a relationship here? The point is that if it's not handled properly by your new agent, that disruption and the questions that the underwriter is asking will not lead to a great quote. It's basic human nature. So here's the bottom line. The broker of record letter is your tool to select what agent you want to work with in getting quotes and managing your account. That power should be handled properly so that you're selecting the right agent first. You should ask yourself, before signing over authority, does this agent we're selecting have the service capacity to manage my account? Do they have the tools and resources outside of the policy to help you manage risk? Are they an expert in their field? Do they have expertise in your industry? Do they have positive testimonials and reviews? Most of all, do you like and trust the agent you're selecting? Have other questions regarding business insurance or risk management? I love helping business owners with their protection program, so I'd love to speak to you. My contact info is coming up in a second, so feel free to give me a call or drop me an email. Finally, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.